All right, Miss Tammy. What we got here? Well,
They decided they wanted to run.
she had a jug. They decided to just walk off on her. Let's see here. Been out here jug fishing for about 10 minutes. And she did it again, y'all. Oh my goodness, there's your net. Miss Tammy.
No.
Miss Tammy, what do we got?
No.
He is trying to take off. I think she did it again, y'all.
Oh, well, I know what it is. It's a gar.
It's a gar. She is so, I don't know, she's got the luck, if you call it luck, catching gar. I don't know. But here it is. I think it's a pretty decent sized gar. There's your net. And
It's a frisky one.
He's determined to take that noodle. And you might want to put that under your foot or something. Here in a minute. Oh, look at him. He's pretty. Come on, dinosaur. Get in the net. Get in the net, you silly thing. There she goes. Oh, my goodness. And it's done making a mess. There we go. All right. Got him freed up. And going back. If he will behave, he will go back to the wild from which he came. There he goes. Later. Fish on, folks. Just stood this jug up a few times, had it moving. It's laying still now. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Miss Tammy says we got something, y'all. Hopefully it's not another. It's not. Let's go back this way, Miss Tammy. And we do it. Look at there, y'all. Look at that expert netting guy right there. There we go. First blue in the boat. Nice job, Tammy. All right. Very pale looking little blue. And, oh, no, wait a minute. Bye. He's gone.
He says, I'm not wanting my 15 minutes.
Yeah, a fame. It's over. Yep, he's gone. River Rescue Patrol. Here we go. Got one in the water. Right. He's way out here. Come on, buddy. I'm gonna take you up on the bank. All right, doing a good deed. Tell him bye. Have a good life, Mr. Turtle. Okay, as I said, folks, we are jugging down here on the Ohio again today. We started out with some rods, and the wind and the waves and conditions were just too rough, so we thought we'd just toss a few jugs out. We did go fishing yesterday for some bait, didn't we, Miss Tammy?
Yes, we did.
And that went well for a while. We had a stranger come up to help, and it was of the four-legged variety, a dog. And let's see, I think we'll show you that clip here. Y'all watch this. So after the dog went swimming trying to catch the fish, I guess. I don't know what he was thinking. he kind of messed it up for us, but we came away with, I don't know, about 6 to 8 bluegill to use today. And so there we are. We have bluegill, skipjack, and strawberry flavored chicken out here today. And we're going to see what we can get into. We've got one right here, folks. Standing up, causing trouble. He took this thing way down just a second ago and held it. And we're trying to get the boat turned around the right angle. Tell you what, we're going to back it up even. Sorry the camera work for just a second, folks. We are battling a little current. And I want to get Miss Tammy in here at the right angle on this. Right, Miss Tammy? We don't want to miss this fish. There it goes again. Straight down. And we're going to have to wait to see him pop up. There he is. Let's try and get this thing, y'all. Come on. Let's get it. Let's go get this thing. Could very well be a very nice fish here. And don't forget the net. We're going to stand up here to see what we got.
I got my foot on the jug so I can't pull it out.
There you go. This is a good sized line. Nice, big, fat blue cat, folks. Huge, fat, chunky, well-fed cat. Whoop, whoop, in the flooded Ohio. Miss Tammy, nice job. First one. Let's get him off and get him weighed up. All right, folks, over 12 pounds, this teener here, and we're ready to get him back in the water. Safe and sound. Quickly release him, make sure he's safe so we can catch him again when he grows up a little more. Beautiful fish. Nice job. Miss Tammy informs me we got a fish on. We're gonna go get it. I can't see. She leaned. There we go. There we go. Hang on. Hang on tight. Hang on tight. Let's see what we got here, y'all.
Nothing. He
let go. Heartbreak. Here we go. We got another one on. He is booking. I may have to just trail him for a little bit.
Yeah,
Let's get him. Tammy thinks we can just get him. Let's see. He's turning. He's spinning now. Let's see.
He broke it.
He just broke it. Okay. Alrighty. Thanks a lot, fish. Alright, folks. Just to let you know, that fish broke off 65-pound test line of braided line. That is new line that has gone on there.
Within the last 2 weeks.
Yeah. And he snapped it like a twig. Oh, well. We might have one right here, folks. About to find out. Amy said it stood up a couple times and it's gone under. That one?
Just stood up.
Oh my goodness. May have had school coming through.
This one has nothing. Let's check that one.
Check this one. Alright. Oh. Well, we can do that. Something just tugged it. We got a little something here.
Yeah, we got something.
A little something.
Oh, we got a nice little blue.
Alright. Well, let's bring him on in. Oh, look at him. Yeah, he's well hooked. Welcome to the club.
Pretty blue.
Look how pale. He's got a lot to say, folks. He's got a lot to say.
There we go. What a pretty color.
Pretty fish.
That's an iridescent color.
All right, let's let him go. Whoa! Yeah, he had to get you back, didn't he?
Yes, he did.
Okay, guys, well, we only got to fish for a couple of hours before, again, the rain started moving in and the wind to run us off the water. But there you go. That's what's been going on. We've got to show you a couple clips of the last few days of pre-fishing and for this trip, and then one fish we caught the other day when we were out. It was the only fish we caught, again, short period of time on the water before we run off. Again, conditions muddy, rivers up. We've had a lot of flooding here in Kentucky, as many of you don't know. A lot of people we want to say prayers for in eastern Kentucky for all the damage, devastation, and lives lost there. Folks, we do thank you very much for watching our channel, though. We do appreciate it. Be sure to subscribe, like this episode, and share it with your friends if you don't mind. We'll see you soon out on the water.